Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit your chats on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out some videos. We have stories where you can check out stories from your friends, the camera, location, and your chats on Snapchat. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit your chats on Snapchat. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. So to edit your Snapchat chats, follow these steps. First of all, press and hold on the chat that you want to edit. So when you found the chat that you want to edit, press and hold on it. Tap Edit Chat. Update your chat, then tap Tick to save. This will replace the original chat with the edited chat. An edited stamp will appear next to chat that you have of course edited, so that you can know. To edit a snap, tap the X icon in the top left to cancel the snap. You can also make minor edits to your videos by uploading them from your camera roll and using the built-in tools to trim or adjust the content. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys!